Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the hardware and making a safety backup. This prevents data loss if an update fails. Once done, create a system restore point so you can revert quickly. Next, open Device Manager using Start or Win plus X then M, because this is where driver management happens. Make sure to expand the relevant category and identify the exact device name and current driver version. Having this info speeds decision-making when choosing between Windows Update, OEM drivers, or manual installer packages. You now decide which source offers the safest update: Windows Update for tested releases or the OEM site for the newest vendor drivers. When using Device Manager, right-click the device, choose Update Driver, then pick Search Automatically or Browse My Computer for a downloaded package. If you downloaded an EXE or INF, run the vendor installer as administrator. If prompted about unsigned drivers, weigh the risk versus need. Make sure to follow any vendor instructions, and pause other installs to avoid file locks or driver conflicts during installation. You finish by restarting the computer. Many drivers require a reboot to load correctly. Once restarted, inspect Device Manager and run right arrow dxdiag or vendor tools to confirm the new driver version and functionality. If performance regresses or the device shows errors, immediately roll back the driver in Device Manager or use the system restore point you created earlier. This restores stability. One troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode to uninstall problematic drivers, then reinstall a known good driver from the OEM site to avoid repeated failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.